Hi, I'm Danielle Amato. In this video, I'll show you some tips and tricks on how to achieve professional understitching using the edge guide foot on the Continental M7. This technique keeps the facing or lining and its seam line from rolling to the right side of the garment. I will be using the edge guide foot to sew my understitching. With your needle in the center position, adjust the guide on the side of the foot by turning the screw to match the seam of your fabric. I am adjusting the guide to stitch 1/8 of an inch next to the seam. Press the seam allowance towards the facing or lining. Now it's time to sew. When using the lock stitch feature to begin and end the stitches, you don't have to worry about accidentally sewing on the facing when backstitching. Top stitch close to the seam line, making sure to sew through both the facing or lining and the layers of the seam allowance. As you can see, the Janome edge guide foot aligns the seam effortlessly for a beautiful top stitch.